Okay, for our egg-free salad sandwich, first we're going to crumble up that tofu, extra firm. Just breaking it up with a fork here until it gets a crumbly texture. And then you're just going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I've got some celery, green onion, parsley, dill pickle relish, some veganese mayo, and garlic, Dijon mustard, and the spices. And just mix that all up together. And then you want to chill this for at least 2 hours, I would say. Give that a chance for the ingredients to all combine, the flavors to gel. And then you're just going to put that in your pita pockets. You can use regular bread too, whatever you want. Delicious. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Lunch or dinner.